Solving inequalities using multiplication and division, still one-step inequalities here. Just like if there were an equal sign here, I need to isolate this variable, and that means get it all by itself. And right now, x is being divided by 8, and the opposite of that is to multiply by 8. And if I multiply by 8 on the left side, I have to multiply by 8 on the right side. It's the only way to keep the inequality as it is. The 8 divided by 8 is 1, so now x is alone. We don't write the 1 down, we just know that it's there. And then negative 5 times 8 is negative 40. Now, graphing that, the greater than symbol does not have a line up under it, so that means the negative 40 is not actually in the answer, and that means it's going to be an open circle. Do not close it, do not color it in. And the numbers are greater than negative 40 toward the right, going toward the 0. So my answers here are going to be everything to the right of negative 40. On this one, the x is on the other side of the problem, so I'm still going to handle it the same way. This means 3 times x, so I will divide by 3 on both sides of the equation, and then I have negative 8. But the x is not on the left side anymore, it's on the right side, so I need to read it backwards or rewrite it. If I read it backwards, I would say x is less than or equal to negative 8. Good idea just to go ahead and rewrite it. Because if you got the x on the left side, it points the direction you need to shade. So I'm going to go to the negative 8. This time, because there's a line here, I've got to have the colored in circle called a closed circle, and the numbers are less than negative 8 toward the left. Left and less. Start with L. This one right here can be a real booger, and a lot of people miss this. So let me warn you so that you won't miss it. Y is being divided by negative 3, so I'm going to multiply by negative 3. The thing about inequalities is if you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to turn your inequality around. The negative 3's become 1. That less than has got to change to become greater than, the way it was written. And then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay, so I turned it around because I multiplied by a negative. Now I need to read it backwards or rewrite it. X less than negative 6. That will be an open circle on the negative 6, and I will have to shade to the left. Make sure you go over that until you fully grasp what you're doing on that one. It's usually the kind that will make you miss them. Now on this one, I'll divide by negative 7. And I have y is less than, nope, got to turn that around, remember? Because I divided by a negative, that less than or equal to has to be greater than or equal to. It's real easy to forget that. And then negative 35 divided by negative 7 is a positive 5. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So on the 5, it will be a closed circle because of this line. And the numbers that are larger than 5 are to the right.